What's going on, everyone? This is Mr. Anderson coming at you just to say good morning. I want to talk to you real quick and briefly about a tool we're going to have access to this year called a CPM ebook. It's where we're going to get some curriculum, some instruction, and the opportunity to do some assignments. So here we go, folks. In our Schoology course, and your Schoology course may look different if I'm not your math teacher, but in our Schoology course, you're going to see a folder. It says eBook CPM CCA. The CPM stands for College Prep Math, and the CCA stands for Common Core Algebra. That's what we're after, and it's this yellow folder in my course right here. Click into that folder. You're going to find this video right here. So if you need a quick instruction on how to access that, you can click this video and watch it again. But we've got an external tool here, and that is this algebra book, the CPM CCA ebook. If you click there, it's going to open up a new tool in Schoology. And here's a quick message from CPM. You can spend a little bit of time reading it, but you're going to have access maybe to 3 books. But the one that we're specifically interested in is this one that says CCA, Common Core Algebra. You click there, and this will open this item directly in Schoology. And from here, I know my window's a little small, but from here is where you're going to have to navigate to whatever it is your teacher gave you. The appendix is at the bottom, okay? The appendix is maybe where we're getting started, and you've got quite a few options in here to navigate. If we're done with the appendix and we move on to Chapter 2, you can see that we've got some options in Chapter 2 there. Once you click on a lesson, it will take you to that lesson, and you're going to be able to see everything that your teacher is presenting, including toward the end of the lesson, any learning logs and ta-da, review preview. And remember, that's just a fancy name for homework. Okay, that's it. Wanted to keep this one short. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye.